Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. And today is Saturday and I am going to spend my time in nature. So we are heading towards Hyde Park, which is in central London zone 1. So we have catch the bus to go Hounslow East station, and from there we are going to catch the train. So we are at station now, waiting for the train. Train is here, and after 45 minutes we will be at our stopping place. We are at our destination and we have to walk 1 minute to go inside the Hyde Park. And the park looks spacious. It is a bit crowded today because it's Saturday and most of the people spend time here on the weekends. Here I snapped few pictures for my Instagram feed also, and it turned out really well. I love greenery so much because it makes me feel calm, and spending time in nature we forget our obstacle, difficulties and setbacks. Look how beautiful these birds are, and the water is so pleasing, and the place is so peaceful, and the sceneries are just wow. The vibe of this place is so peaceful, and the people who are from London, they can visit here for sure, and they will feel so peaceful here for sure. The park is really big, but unfortunately I have not explored each and everything because time was less and I have to go home before 6 o'clock. So that's why we tried our best to explore the things which was really good and which was really peaceful. To be honest, it was giving me Harry Potter vibes also. I have seen in some movie of Harry Potter series, there was a jungle little bit similar to this, so it was really good spending time over there. So after spending few hours, we are going back to home now. Me and my husband both were starving a lot, so we both ate biryani at Hounslow East, and we are going back to home now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Bye bye.